Hi, in this video I will show you how to wax bicycle chain without removing it, using candle and lighter. You will need one of those turbo lighters. Whole process takes about 10 minutes, if you're not trying to film it, of course. First of all, your chain should be prepared for waxing. It should be cleaned of factory oil and other oil-based lubricants, if you were using them before. This chain was waxed before, so I will just clean it with a cloth. Rub the candle against the chain until you have a liberal amount of wax on it. Now heat the chain with a lighter, so the wax will penetrate inside the chain. You can shake the chain while it's still hot, to help distribute wax inside. Rotate cranks to wax next chain section. And it's done.